Got a stiff neck. So today is our last day in France, and then we'll be heading back to America day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll head out to Italy, where we're going to catch a plane. I have to apologize for not posting for at least 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks. But in this time, we've had family gatherings, friends, trips. My girlfriend came from America and we went to Italy for a week or so. And then we had guests, musician friends of mine, and his wife, artistic wife, beautiful people, came over and we spent some time together, catching up and walking around, checking places out. They're touring around France for the coming year to try and find a place where they can settle down here and spend their golden years together. So I'm really happy about that. It's always nice to have good old friends close by from back in the day, because those are the people that I always feel closest with. And Tino went home, must be 3 weeks now, because he had to go back to work. And I've been cleaning up, rearranging things like I like to do. I don't think I've left the house in the same decoration once ever since I've come back here. So every time we come back in the spring, or somebody, one of the kids or something, comes back, in the meantime, it's always, they always find things that they didn't know where they were, or in a different place. We bought a few pieces of furniture this year in my favorite thrift store. First of all, we needed a new bed, because the old one was fine, but it's very small. So we bought like a big double bed, and we put it in the yellow bedroom. And I put the small bed in the blue bedroom, and I've been staying in there because my friends have been staying in the master bedroom here. We call this the red bedroom. And because it has a red carpet. And there's a mezzanine up there, and I rearranged the mezzanine a little bit. All kinds of wonderful things. And just going through old photos and cleaning up and making sure that everything is in good condition. So I'm gonna try and take a look around, as I usually do, and show you around a little bit, then we're gonna close up the house and head out for the next season in New York with gigs, holidays, and outings there too. So hope you stick with us. I'm sorry I didn't post for a while. I know out of sight, out of mind, but I really would like to get back to a steady once a week or so to keep going on. It's a lot of fun making these films. Well, it looks like it's clearing up just a little bit. I put out 2 stale pieces of bread here yesterday, and they ate it all, practically all of it, rain or shine. So then I don't know what's going to happen. Well, the birds, they'll find something to do. It's going to be hard to leave, even though I'm ready to go back. I'm done. I'm ready to go back to New York. I have so much to do. And I think the magic of being a vagabond is just not having to make a decision, which we're really bad at anyway. So we just like to pick up and go. And the best part of all this is to share it, with our friends, with our family, and kids, their friends. It's a real nice way to live a great life, sharing. I like that. Say goodbye to the lake. Clearing up a little. At least it stopped raining. I'm hoping that it didn't snow at the top, because if it did, then I have to take the tunnel, and that's $50 tomorrow. That's a lot of money for a little. That $50 is a lot of money for a little trip to Italy. If you take the mountain pass, maybe 45 minutes longer, but free. And if there's snow up there, they'll close it. We made like some chicken that I had in the freezer, because I want to finish up as much stuff as possible, and then I'll give the rest of whatever we have in the refrigerator to our friends or whoever, neighbors. And so I had some bananas that we froze, that we put in the fridge, and some frozen fruit, and some cream. So we made banana ice cream. So we're gonna try that now. And also I have this cute little espresso machine that I got for €6 in Italy, because there was a everything must go sale. Tutto fuori, right? And so we bought this, and it works really good. My other one, which is over there in the corner, it doesn't work good. And we tried cleaning it. We tried, making the hole bigger in the steam thing. It didn't work. So this is our espresso pot for now. And just try and clean up as much as we can before we head on out. Because when we leave, we shut off all the electricity. It's too expensive, especially with what's going on to the east. Hi. And now for something completely different. Yes, everybody, I'm back in New York, my hometown, and now I'm gonna go get some jewelry fixed. I broke a bracelet and I broke a necklace while I was in France. The bracelet, I was shopping in the supermarket, and I went to grab something on the shelf, and my bracelet caught onto the price tag and ripped in half. That stinks. It's pretty strong bracelet too. So get everything together, and then I gotta go up to Carnegie Hall. A couple of weeks ago, while we were in France, we were watching that very dark movie called The King of Comedy by Martin Scorsese with Robert De Niro. And I don't know if you could see it from here, but we see quite a few seeds in front of this building. I think it used to be Paramount Building. Now we're gonna, to get my jewelry fixed, we're gonna go down the block and see Lodge, who has a little booth in the Diamond District, in the middle of a store with a bunch of different jewelers. And I like to see him because he's really friendly. He speaks French, and he fixes my jewelry on the spot. It only takes a few minutes. I don't even know if he's there, but it's a nice day for a walk anyway. Beautiful day. So I'll try and see if I can tape a little. I don't know.
Shopping, ladies?
This is broken. It goes with this.
Okay.
This is broken. If you haven't guessed, this is Rockefeller Plaza, Rockefeller Center, and this is the famous skyscraper of the same name, decorated in Art Deco. It was actually the location of the exteriors in a movie called Desk Set from the 50s with Katharine Hepburn and Spencer Tracy. I'm standing on the spot where the Christmas tree, the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree will stand. They start putting it up in the middle of November, and they will light it around the first week in December. And millions of tourists come here to see it. It'll be standing right here where this fountain is. Down here is usually ice skating rink, but in the warm months they turn it into a roller skating rink, and sometimes they have a restaurant down there too. I've never seen people roller skate, but it must be like these inter-seasons that they do that. I don't know too much about this building, but some people say that there's a real jerk who lives here. This is the Russian tea room. If you've ever seen the movie Tootsie, there's a great scene takes place in the dining room there.
I'm looking for the Russian tea room.
It's the Russian tea room. Right here. You're standing in front of...
Oh, well, my stars, so it is.
And here we are, Carnegie Hall. I'm supposed to pick up some tickets for Buffalo Symphony by with the conductor Joanne Folletta, who is an old classmate of mine. And I'm
Picking up under a name, a group, or a...
no, just she said she put it in the name of our school.